This rust remover is going viral, but is iron eraser actually legit or just another TikTok scam? So I tested the viral iron eraser spray from Mad Detailing, the one claiming it melts rust and brake dust in seconds. The product is designed mainly for wheels, brakes, and iron contamination on cars. When you spray it, it turns purple as it reacts with iron particles. That part is actually real chemistry, not magic. And honestly, a lot of buyers say it does work surprisingly well on wheels and light rust stains. The official site shows a 4.7-star average from over 140 reviews, with customers saying it restored truck wheels and removed iron deposits fast. But here's where things get sketchy. Some viral ads make it look like rusty metal becomes factory new in literally seconds. Reddit users called those videos fake, AI-generated, and physically impossible because real rust leaves pitting behind. Even some real customers admitted it struggles with heavy rust and works better for brake dust and surface contamination instead. So, scam or not, the product itself appears to be real. The exaggerated ads? Probably very misleading. If you expect miracle restoration from deep rust in 5 seconds, you'll be disappointed. But if you want a legit iron remover for wheels and paint decontamination, it actually seems solid. Would I buy it? For detailing wheels? Yes. For instant rust deletion like the ads show? Absolutely not. Follow for more viral product tests before you waste your money.